Tornado emergency for Fort Polk. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Rosa Pine, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Fort Polk. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Rosa Pine around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fort Polk around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cravens around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pickering. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.